Hi, I'm Jackie and welcome to My Magical Home. I hope you're ready for some motivation today because I'm taking you along with me as I clean and organize my pantry. Now this is a project that I've really been looking forward to and I cannot wait to share it with you. So I hope that you will stay tuned and check it out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already and join my YouTube family. Now before we get started cleaning everything out of the cupboard, I want to take a second to show you the different products that I'm going to be using to organize it today. These are the 4 various product styles that I picked out to help organize my pantry today. I have these clear containers that are from Better Homes and Garden that I picked up at Walmart. They have these awesome locking on lids, and I don't know how exactly they create this suction, but they are fantastic, and I am sure they're going to save me from so many spills in the future. So there's the larger one of these as well as a smaller container, and these will be holding my cereals, oatmeal, flours, different items of that nature that I'm going to be using around the kitchen. I really love the clear glass look of them. I've had various containers like this in the past, and they just kind of had an opaque, kind of murky look to them, and I don't feel like it was just as attractive to me when I was going to cook. I also have these clear glass containers that are almost a little apothecary style with the bamboo lids, and those are going to have some of my baking supplies. And then we have these clear, I think they're acrylic Lazy Susans, and I think that these are all just going to be so awesome. These are the labels that I printed out on my Cricut. They're a little hard to see, but they look so cool in person. I call them iridescent rainbow unicorn. And they are just exactly what I was hoping and dreaming for. I know you can have any color, but why not iridescent rainbow, right? This is my before. I feel like there was just such a transformation. I can't wait to show you how this turned out. Right now, everything was basically just shoved in, all cattywampus, and it was completely overwhelming, and it kind of made cooking a little bit of a chore just because I couldn't find anything. So now it is time for me to just kind of take every single thing out of here, and I'm going to go through it and just kind of get everything into the containers that I want with you in just a minute. But first, I want to have a nice clean space. So you will notice that I have some furry companions that will be my special guest stars for today, as they help me and encourage me along to give me the motivation to tackle this job. Don't forget to say hi in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you are up to today, and I hope that this video is bringing you some motivation. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Now I'm just going to put these labels on my containers. That way not only I know what's inside of them, but it's easy for my family to use and know what's inside as well. I wanted to point out that I am using one piece of packing tape to put on all of these descriptions on the containers. I did not know where my transfer tape was that night, and frankly this works just as easily, and then I'm not using a whole bunch of different pieces. I am just using one little piece and able to do the whole job. Piece by piece. Look at the difference in color between the old containers that I was able to find and these. The cereal, everything in these looks so much more enticing, and I don't care if that's just like a totally mental like thing, but I can tell you that since I have changed these over, my family are more willing to eat the cereal and other things that I had inside of them, making this a total win. In case you're curious what I'm putting into all these little fun containers, I will have it listed down on the side. That way I don't have to just blab and blab over top of the entire thing, and we can enjoy a little bit of tunes. I want to say that I do recognize that changing up all of my containers can seem a little wasteful and frivolous in some ways, but don't worry. Everything that I had used before is going to be used somewhere else in my home, so rest assured nothing is being wasted. These are actually all going to my husband's beer making closet where he keeps all of his various ingredients to make his bubbling brews. He does a very good job with it, so he's going to be able to put these to good use, and I get to have my picture perfect container. Just keep on moving through the beat. So these round plastic containers are some of the ones that I was using to hold my flour beforehand, and I just wanted to point out to you guys the absolute size difference here. While they're shorter and they may appear like they're a little bit smaller, I am able to fit more in these new containers and use up less space. I am so excited. Baby. I would love to hear about your pantry. How do you guys like to have yours look? Do you prefer to have the little matching containers like I obviously do? Or do you guys like original packaging? I would just love to hear what your thoughts are. So these little scoops actually came with these jars, and I have to say, I really didn't know how I was going to feel about them. I kind of felt like they were a little bit extra, unneeded, but now that I have them, I am in love with them. And actually, I want to get scoops for all the different flours and different mixes that I put into the various containers. It makes things easier. I wasn't expecting it. Everything is
So at this point, I had gotten tired and I was ready to come back to the project the next day. Unfortunately, life had another idea, and so it took me a little bit longer to get back to this project and finish up these rice containers that I'm going to show you in just a second. But all that I had left to do was actually just change out those labels and put them in. But you will notice that like the cereals have like completely changed. It happened. I don't know what to say, guys. All right, my friends, this is going to be the end of today's pantry adventure. I hope that it brought you tons of organization inspiration, and if you haven't already done so, I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button down below and joining my YouTube family. Not only do I create content like this, which gives you cleaning and organizing inspiration, I also have lots of DIYs, holiday content, recipes, movie night ideas, and so much more. Either way, I hope that you have an absolutely magical day, and I can't wait to see you next time.